Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Should you buy XRP, invest in XRP, or should you wait to buy XRP after this Ripple lawsuit is over? These are some of the questions that I get asked almost every single day, whether it is in the YouTube comment section, on Twitter, or a lot of messages on Instagram. And that is why in today's video I will be answering these questions, which I am pretty sure a lot of you have in your mind. So the risk analysis of XRP, especially this year when we are facing this massive lawsuit that is pretty much not going to impact XRP but pretty much the entire crypto industry. That is why this Ripple lawsuit is so important. And we will also be talking about some other news related to Ripple and XRP. But before having said that, I do want to remind you guys that this is not a financial advice video. And if you are thinking about investing in XRP or any other cryptocurrency out there, make sure to do your own research, to do your own due diligence, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Guys, do not forget the golden mantra of crypto investing, because that is extremely important, and the world of crypto can be very volatile and you can be losing a lot of your money. So that is why it is very important to remember these important rules. So having said all of that, let's first look at the price of XRP today. The world of crypto was pretty flat today. There was no major momentum in the prices of a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, and at the time of making this video, the price of XRP is trading at around $0.82, about the same as yesterday, and a decrease of 11% compared to 1 week ago. And today we saw the high point at around $0.84 and the low point at around $0.82. So that price of XRP is trading within this range, and obviously it is below that important critical support level of $0.88. But having said all of this, one of the most important things which I'm pretty sure a lot of people regularly look at is the summary analysis of XRP. And if you're talking about the daily summary analysis here, the summary stands at a strong sell, moving averages and both technical indicators are at a strong sell, and the important RSI is also at a sell position. Now for the weekly chart, the summary here is a neutral, and the RSI is also at a neutral point. And for the monthly chart, the summary is at a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, and technical indicators at a strong buy, and the RSI is at a neutral point. So we are seeing that pretty much for the weekly and monthly position, the summaries are pretty much the same. And also for the daily chart, especially in the last couple of days, it has changed back to a strong sell from a neutral point. Now if you're talking about the overall world of crypto, and I've said this many times, that if you have been investing in the world of crypto, a lot of cryptos out there, including XRP, follow the price momentum of Bitcoin. And unfortunately, the Bitcoin price is pretty low compared to its all-time high of around $34,000, almost half of that right now. But according to new technical indicators, a new on-chain analysis, and obviously the popular stock-to-flow ratio, we are expecting a major price change in the price of Bitcoin. And as you guys already know, whenever that happens, we might see a major momentum in the entire crypto industry, including XRP. And this analysis, they are putting the price of Bitcoin at $85,000 within months, which would be absolutely crazy considering the price we are at right now. And obviously this is going to massively impact Bitcoin, especially in the year 2021, whenever we see those prices. Now let's move on to the very important question: should you buy XRP now, or should you wait for this Ripple lawsuit to be over? This exact question was put forward on Investor Place, and one of the reasons why I decided to make this video, and obviously a lot of comments that I got from you guys. And in that they said, wait for the SEC lawsuit result before investing in Ripple. And they put forward a lot of different things related to Ripple and XRP, saying there are going to be strict financial regulations coming up, especially after the meeting with the G7 countries, and a lot of other things related to this lawsuit. Now interestingly, at the end of this, they put it, but while XRP's price is highly questionable in terms of its intrinsic value, the customer base that Ripple has built is significant and has room to grow. Global money transfers are a massive business sector that provide plenty of potential for Ripple to evolve and grow. It has a solid business model, but even for investors who know all the risks inheriting in investing in cryptocurrencies, the most prudent choice now is to wait and see how the SEC lawsuit concludes. In advance of the result, any investment is too much of a gamble. Now, to a very large extent, I do agree with this. But having said this, now in my personal opinion, I think by the time we see the end of this lawsuit, the XRP price, it is already going to be reflected at that point. Right now, if Ripple and XRP is going to win this lawsuit, the price of XRP currently, it is low, the $0.82 what we are seeing right now. And to put it into a even bigger perspective here, for comparing this to the start of this year, where the price of XRP was around $0.19, the price has increased by more than 300% even during this lawsuit. So imagine what the price would be if Ripple actually wins this lawsuit. But as I mentioned previously, if we are nearing towards the end of this Ripple lawsuit, the price is already going to be reflected, and at that point the price of XRP might already be pretty high, or if there's a high chance of losing, and we'll get to find out more in the coming weeks, then the price of that would be reflected. So it's very correct to saying that it is a big gamble, but this gamble could pay off massively for a lot of people who are actually going to be investing in XRP now, because if we see a victory, the price of XRP is and would definitely skyrocket. Now, having said all of this, again, I do want to remind you guys that if you are thinking about investing in XRP right now, make sure to invest only what you can afford to lose, because we are seeing from the past that yes, there is a very strong chance, a very high chance that Ripple and XRP can win this lawsuit, but there is also a possibility that they can lose. That is why it is still a pretty big gamble. But I wouldn't go and say that, hey, only invest after this Ripple lawsuit is over, but because by that point the price of XRP will already be reflected. So the most important question that you should guys be asking right now is, who is going to win this Ripple, this lawsuit put forward by the SEC? And if you guys have been a subscriber on my channel or have been following me for quite some time, especially since the last 2 months, you know that Ripple, even though when this lawsuit actually started, Ripple didn't really have a very strong chance of winning this lawsuit. But now, especially in the last 2 months, and especially with the discovery hearings that we have been getting recently, Ripple's chance is extremely high. In fact, a lot of articles out there, they are saying that, hey, SEC is actually trying to stall this, and they have asked for an extension of 60 days for the discovery, and they are trying to basically fight for survival at this point, and which in my opinion it is very true, especially considering that the last couple of discovery hearings Ripple has won very clearly those. But again, some of the most important things that are going to be coming up is the fair notice defense, which I have taught extensively in the past on how important that is. And if we actually go to a summary judgment, and if the judge goes in favor with, especially related to the fair notice defense, if it gets approved, then for sure Ripple's victory will be in sight, and I'm sure at that point the price of XRP will already react, and it would actually, according to a lot of analysts out there, would actually cross its all-time high position of $3.84, which would be absolutely crazy, and I'm pretty sure it is going to make a lot of XRP investors happy out there. Now, having said all of this, what is my own personal opinion, or what am I personally doing related to XRP? Now, I have been investing in XRP for quite some time, and I have bought XRP, but this is an amount which I'm okay to lose, because there is also a chance that the SEC can win. So this is why, again, guys, only invest what you can afford to in the world of cryptocurrencies. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. I do reply to a lot of people, and I love absolutely the support and a lot of good questions that you guys put forward to. And if you guys have any ideas for any future videos, do drop a comment below, because I will be making videos on them. And for those of you who are new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like, so the YouTube algorithm will recommend you my videos. And guys, don't forget to turn on that bell icon. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.